You no longer need to pay for CapCut or Captions app just to put on subtitles and captions on your videos, because you can do it for free, literally. You go to this website, withsubtitles.com, you go to the editor, and you can upload any MP4 file, basically video file, and generate captions. So you click, let's say this, we built an AI, we click create subtitles, we download the model, basically we'll host it on our browser or on our computer just so we could do it for free. We click do the magic, now we wait. While we wait, of course, it's mandatory that you play with your dog. Okay, it's creating the transcription. While that's happening, we can browse the styles we want to use for this. And as you can see, it has a lot. Probably the most popular will be something like this, one or a couple words, right? We can also use this if you're targeting a older audience that doesn't need that fast-paced editing and actually needs to read something, you know, and keep track of what's being told. For example, this would be great as well. This is great. Basically a lot of options, right? And as you can see, we built an captions, right? We can even resize the video by automating cold outreach into any format we want. We can select a different preset. Let's say I was shaken. Well, it was not shaken, but then we can of course customize it. Select a different position where we want it to be. Let's say at the bottom. Select the transition. Is it like this? Stomp, ABC, the zoom. Select the setting, select the font, select variant, colors, size. If need be, we can edit the subtitles, and basically, well, have subtitles your calendar with booked calls for free. I didn't pay for this. I didn't do nothing. No credit card. You can hide it. You then just export, download subtitles separately if you need. If not, simply export the video and it will render it. You download it and post it. Simple as that. Now, if you found this video useful, you will find my other videos useful as well. That's why I suggest you subscribe and check out my channel for more videos. Otherwise, if you have any questions or want me to review any other tool, please let me know down in the comments below. It was me, Sam. Have a good one and peace.